Let us see how to assemble the mBot part. Here you can see the mBot complete kit. Let's start to assemble the mBot parts one by one. Build the mechanical part. The construction of mBot part mainly is building the motors and wheels. And the motors are TT gear motor, which are usual in our lives. To assemble them together is very convenient because you just need to tighten several screws. First, use screws to fix the motor on the metal base plate. Then add the tire on the wheel and fix the two wheel on the left and right side of the metal base plate. Now let's see how to build the electronic part. The construction of the electronic part mainly is building the electronic modules together and wiring. The electronic modules that you will use include the line follower module, the ultrasonic module, Wi-Fi module, the Bluetooth module, and the Arduino based control board. I will show you the detail in assembling process. Add the plastic universal wheel on the line follower module and fix them on the metal base plate by using the screws. Fix the ultrasonic sensor module on the smile surface of the metal base plate and add 4 brass studs in order to support the core board above the metal base plate. After that, use the magic tape to connect the battery holder and the metal base plate. Finally, fix the core board above the 4 brass studs and then use RJ25 cable to connect the terminal 2 and ultrasonic sensor module. Another RJ25 cable is used for connecting the terminal 3 and the line follower module. After 10 minutes of assembling process, a complete robot car mBot is finished. That's it. We have done with the construction of mBot. Now let us see how to connect mBot to the main interface of the mBlock. Therefore, only when mBlock and mCore are connected together can we connect mBot to mBlock. Then how could we connect mBlock to the robot mBot? First, we connect the USB cable to both the computer and mCore mBot. Open mBlock software and select the appropriate COM port. It will display COM number and COM port you have connected. After clicking, COM ports vary in computers. How could we find COM port number of mBot? Open Device Manager and expand port COM and LFT to view. If you can't find the port number in the Device Manager, please try to install Arduino driver. Then find and select the port. mBlock is successfully connected to mBot, but they are not able to communicate with each other yet because communication demands the communication protocol as a basis. Let us install this protocol on the motherboard. First select the correct main board and then select the upgrade firmware. After installation, mBlock is able to communicate with mBot. Come on, test it. Turn on the small lamp on the robot mBot. Click this block to set LED color. The little light of mBot will turn red. If all are set to 0, the light will go out. What should we improve if you want the car to move on the ground? Yes, the USB cable is the answer. It restricts the travel distance of mBot. We can solve this problem with the Bluetooth module 2.4G module. Here we are using 2.4G module. It is even easier for 2.4G. First, insert the 2.4G module receiver into your PC. Pair it with 2.4 module of mBot according to the user manual. After successful pairing, click connect.